What's up, Juniata? I'm Sarah.
I'm Zippy.
And this week,
It's Mountain Day!
It's Mountain Day? I thought Mountain Day was tomorrow. What?
Why is she? It's definitely not Mountain Day. Anyway, yeah, no. Well, I think it's gonna be tomorrow.
Zippy, I know you're only a sophomore, but Mountain Day is always tomorrow.
Oh, that's true.
Even if it's not, you should still be excited because Juniata Presents the Mark Morris Dance Group at 7:30 in Halberton.
Juniata Presents opens its season with the internationally acclaimed and award-winning Mark Morris Dance Group. This blending of live music and dance is something that you've never seen before and may never get to see again. So make sure you go down to Ellis Hall and get your tickets. Student tickets are free and everyone else starts at $12, but hurry, they're selling out fast.
And Friday's just the start to a great weekend because on Saturday from 1 to 6, we have the Huntington County Pride Fest on the quad. So come out and celebrate with the Huntington community.
For more information about what's happening at Juniata this week, follow the link.
Get pumped for Mountain Day, and until next week,
I'm Sarah.
I'm Zippy.
Keep it weird, Juniata.